Milorad here. Today I need to cook something really fast. It's already past time for my OMAD meal, and I just grabbed some stuff from my fridge and pantry, and I'm going to cook some here I have beetroot rice noodles. They are really good. See, they are kind of a reddish color from beetroot. And then here I have beech mushrooms. I bought these at Asian market in Dallas. Here I have one baby bok choy. I have a couple cloves of garlic from my garden, and I have some thyme also from my garden, and a couple leaves of basil from my garden. And I have one egg. Maybe, just maybe at the end I will put one egg, or maybe not. I will see how it goes. Depends of how much food is going to be when I start cooking. Okay, let's go and start cooking. I already have water here boiling almost, and I will put the noodles, and I will put that bok choy, baby bok choy here. And baby bok choy is going to stay here in the boiling water just for a minute or two, and then I will transfer it into frying pan. Because I will cook just for myself, I need only one of these rice noodles. And this baby bok choy, I will just cut the bottom, and because as you can see, you always need to wash them through. Wash them. Baby bok choy goes into boiling water, and when this cooks we will be ready with other ingredients. I decided to use only half of these beech mushrooms because it's only one portion, and I will just cut the bottom, cut just the roots of beech mushrooms, and maybe separate them a little bit, not all, just a little bit. Okay. Ooh, that looks so good. And we will cut the garlic just a little bit. This is not professional cutting, huh?
But you,
sorry.
but you're doing a pretty good job.
Because my wife is the cutter. And I just come up with ideas and eat. Okay, we have that ready. Now we will have these thyme leaves. Okay, couple more thyme leaves, and this basil I will probably use just maybe 1 or 2 leaves in cooking, and the rest is just going to be there for decorations. Okay, I'm taking out bok choy And I'm going to check these noodles to see if they are done.
It looks like they're done.
They are done. We have olive oil that goes here. And I will also use some butter. Okay, and some butter. And let me make space for my mushrooms. This will cook for a couple minutes. Then I will add garlic and thyme, and then after that I will season these mushrooms and bok choy.
And what are you doing now?
Oh, I'm just stirring up this basil, but it started to smell good. And I'm going to add this garlic and thyme. This herb is called thyme, not thyme as 4 o'clock or something. Just a simple seasoning. What I have here is Vegeta, that's all-purpose seasoning from Croatia, and it's mostly dry vegetables and of course salt. A little bit of pepper. This is almost done. What I have here is a stock that I made the other day, and if you can come closer you may see it's almost like a jello, and this is a stock that I made from rotisserie chicken bones, and that's what I'm going to add here. One more. Just a minute or two to reduce this extra liquid, and we will add noodles. Now we will add these drained noodles, rice, beetroot noodles, See, I wanted to make as a smaller dish as possible, but it's still kind of maybe a little bit too much. What do you think?
Yeah, it's too much, but you can handle it.
What about egg? Maybe we don't need egg?
I don't know if that's in your recipe. What the egg will give a little bit of what?
I don't cook with recipe.
Oh.
A recipe, everybody can follow the recipe. I cook by feel and my imagination. Just a tad of Kikkoman soy sauce to be a real Asian flavor. My dish is ready.
Yeah.
Let's go and plate it and eat it. Okay, ready for plating. Just go directly to this beautiful corning plate. And now I just need to make it prettier. We need to scrape that as well. It's not good looking. Okay, I'm ready to taste my today's creation. Rice beetroot noodles, baby bok choy, beech mushrooms, garlic, thyme, and basil. Those are all ingredients that we used here. Wow, look at that. This is big bite with everything on it. Baby bok choy, still crunchy, and also mushrooms, beech mushrooms. This kind of little chewiness comes from mushrooms. It's beautiful. And rice noodles, like always, I just love rice noodles. They are very soft but not mushy. This is so good. Very satisfying meal. I will go and finish it off the camera. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about cooking and other stuff as well. Milorad out. Whew, this is really good.